Have you ever seen a demo of some new AI that just looks absolutely mind-blowing, but then when it gets out into the real world, it kind of fizzles out? Well, the reason for that is often this sneaky little problem called overfitting. Now, I know, it sounds super technical, but it's one of the most important ideas to get your head around if you really want to understand AI. Let's dive in. Think back to school for a second. You know that feeling, right? You cram all night, you've memorized every single question on the practice test, and you walk into that exam feeling like a genius. But then the real test asks the questions just a little bit differently, and suddenly your mind goes blank. You didn't really learn the material, you just memorized the answers. Well, guess what? AI can fall into that exact same trap. And that, right there, is the core of overfitting. The AI becomes that student who knows the practice test by heart, but can't handle anything new. It hasn't truly understood the why behind the answers. So it's an A-plus student on all the stuff it's already seen, but the moment you give it a new problem, it completely fails. So here's the official idea. Overfitting is when an AI studies its training data so closely that it starts memorizing all the weird, random, irrelevant details, what we call noise. It's like it's not just learning the words in a textbook, but it's also memorizing the coffee stains on page 52 and the little doodles in the corner of page 80. It's perfectly prepared for a test on that specific stained book, but it's totally lost with any other book. This really breaks it down perfectly. On one side, you've got memorizing. That's all about the tiny details, the noise, and getting a perfect score on the practice data. But on the other side, you've got real learning. That's about finding the big picture patterns, the signal, so that it can actually work on new stuff it's never seen before. That's the goal. Okay, let's make this super simple with a fun little analogy. Imagine we're going to teach an AI to do one simple thing: recognize a dog in a picture. The plan seems pretty simple, right? We're just going to show our AI a bunch of pictures of dogs, and eventually it should learn what a dog looks like. But here's the thing. The kind of pictures you show it, the training data, is absolutely everything. And this is exactly where things can go wrong. Let's say we mess up, and all the photos we show it are really similar. They're all pictures of golden retrievers, and they're all taken in sunny, grassy backyards. The AI sees hundreds of photos, but its entire idea of what a dog is becomes incredibly specific and narrow. So what do you think happened? Did the AI learn the general concept of a dog? 4 legs, a tail, fur, or did it focus on something else, something a little too specific to the pictures we gave it? Yep, you probably guessed it. It completely missed the point. Instead of learning what makes a dog, it got obsessed with all that background noise. It basically created a rule in its head that said, dog equals 3 things: golden fur, plus sunshine, plus grass. It memorized the scene, not the subject. So now comes the real test. We show it a picture that breaks all of its memorized rules, like, say, a black poodle sitting inside a living room. And the AI is totally stumped. It has no idea what it's looking at. It fails the test because it never actually learned the general concept of a dog. Okay, so a dog spotting AI getting confused might not seem like a huge deal, but this overfitting problem gets really serious really fast when we start talking about the real world, where AI mistakes can actually impact people's lives. Check this out. This is a real story. A hospital developed an AI to detect pneumonia in chest x-rays. And in the lab, during testing, it was incredible. It was getting 99% accuracy. I mean, that sounds like a massive breakthrough, right? But then they rolled it out for use with actual patients. And that amazing 99% accuracy just vanished. The AI that had aced its practice tests was now failing badly out in the real world, where it really mattered. So what on earth happened? Well, it turned out the AI had overfitted. Just by complete coincidence, all the x-rays of pneumonia patients in its training data had been taken with a specific portable x-ray machine. So the AI didn't learn to spot the signs of pneumonia. It just learned to recognize that particular scanner. And this kind of thing happens all the time. Amazon had to scrap an early hiring AI because it overfitted on past resumes and learned to penalize words commonly found on women's resumes. There have been medical AIs trained only on light skin that then fail to diagnose skin conditions on darker skin. This is the #1 reason why a brilliant AI demo can end up being a huge disappointment when it's actually deployed. So from now on, whenever you hear about some amazing new AI that's going to change the world, you now have the 2 most important questions you can ask. First, how was this tested? And second, what kind of data was it trained on?
Because at the end of the day, a truly smart AI isn't the one that's perfect on old data. It's the one that's ready from new data. And now you know exactly what to look for.